Plantronics Blackwire 3200 series headsets are comfortable, durable, and deliver the unified communications features you would expect from a modern headset. This is what comes in the box. When putting your headset on, lengthen or shorten the headband to fit comfortably. Choose to wear the flexible boom on your left or right side and rotate and adjust the boom so it's placed 2 fingers from the corner of your mouth. Next, plug the USB cable into your computer. Then download Plantronics Hub desktop software for Windows or Mac to configure your settings, such as call control. To make a call, dial out using your soft phone. To answer or end a call, use your soft phone or the convenient inline controller by pressing the call button once to answer and press again to end the call. To put a caller on hold, double press the call button. To return to the call, press the call button. Adjust the volume, mute or end the call with the inline controller buttons. If not on an active call, double pressing the call button will redial the last call. Managing calls from your PC is easy with USB and USB-C connectivity with all models. Models 3215 and 3225 also include 3.5mm. You can connect to your smartphone or tablet. When you're on the go and using Blackwire 3215 or 3225 models, unplug the headset from the inline controller and plug the 3.5mm cable directly into your smartphone or tablet. In this case, use your mobile device for call controls. You're now ready to enjoy your headset.